In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the LottieFiles plugin for Webflow to enhance your project with eye-catching animations. Adding animations can make your web designs more lively and engaging. And with LottieFiles, it's as simple as a few clicks. We'll walk through the entire process, starting from installation all the way to inserting your customized animation into your Webflow project. First things first, you'll need to find and install the LottieFiles for Webflow app. To do this, head over to the Webflow apps page where you'll find a variety of tools and plugins designed to expand your Webflow capabilities. In the search bar or the apps list, look for the LottieFiles app. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to begin installing. Installation is straightforward, just follow the prompts. During this process, you will be asked to authorize the app for your project. This is an essential step as it allows LottieFiles to interact smoothly with your Webflow setup. Don't worry, this authorization is standard and ensures that your animations will function properly within your project. With the app successfully installed, it's time to launch the plugin. Head back into your Webflow project and navigate to the Apps section of your dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your installed applications. Look for the LottieFiles app and click Launch. Doing so will open up the LottieFiles panel, offering you access to a vast library of animations and customization options right at your fingertips. Now comes the fun part. Finding and customizing an animation. Within the LottieFiles panel, you'll be able to browse an extensive selection of animations, or if you have something specific in mind, you can use the search functionality to find it quickly. Once you spot an animation that catches your interest, you have the ability to customize its appearance directly in the plugin. This can include tweaking colors and adjusting various settings to ensure the animation perfectly complements your project's design and theme. The final step in this process is inserting your chosen animation into the Webflow project. After you've finished customizing the animation to your liking, look for the Insert Animation button within the LottieFiles panel. Clicking this will integrate the animation seamlessly into your Webflow page. It's as easy as that. With just a few clicks, you've enhanced your web design with a dynamic, customized animation that is sure to capture the attention of your viewers. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring your web projects to life using LottieFiles in Webflow. With these steps, you can easily incorporate vibrant animations that elevate the user experience and make your website stand out. Take a moment to explore the diverse styles and themes available with LottieFiles, and don't hesitate to experiment with different animations to find the perfect fit for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.